In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Axiom with Nova. So the first thing you're going to need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So if you sign up with my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever on Axiom. So make sure you check that out. So once you are logged into Axiom over here and you have an account, we can begin. So the first thing you want to do is go to click.tradeonnova.io, which is the link to the bot, and then from here you want to click download for Chrome over here on their website, and you want to click add to Chrome over here on the right, and then add extension yet again. This will add the Nova extension to your Chrome over here, as you can see, and that's it. So you can then close this extension tab and go back to Nova, where you now have the prompt to connect Telegram. Simply click connect Telegram, and then you can click Start Bot if you have a Telegram installed on your computer as an app, but if you only want to use web like me, you can click Open Web, and just like this, it will open up Telegram in web, okay? So after you've done this, you'll be able to launch Nova, okay? So as you can see over here, let me just close this down because I have it open, there we go. This is what you will see. So you want to hover over this part and click on Start over here, and this will start your Nova bot inside the Telegram app. And from here, essentially, the only thing you have to do is just connect the wallet. So click on Wallets over here, and then you can import wallet by clicking Import Wallet. You can then give it a name, so let's say 123, and then you have to enter in the private key of your wallet. So that's the first thing you want to do. And then the second, if I go back to menu over here, you want to go into Settings, and inside Settings, into Nova click, and make sure Use Panel Settings is enabled. So if it's red like this, you just want to click on the red button and make it green, and that's it. So after this, you can close down Telegram and go back to Axiom, and in here, inside Axiom, you can click on this puzzle icon on your Chrome, and you can pin your Nova extension. Just click this pin icon so you have it easy accessible up here. If I now click on this, you can click it disabled over here where it says disabled, you can click enable, and just like this, it will refresh your Axiom account over here, your website, and you'll be able to start using your Nova bot. So as you can see, if I now go to a random coin over here, you can see you got Nova over here, and then you can select all your presets up here, of course, and then save them. I'm not going to tell you what to set because I'm not a financial advisor. I just wanted to show you how to actually set this up. So from here, you're on your own, and you'll have to set it according to your own needs and preferences. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.